place I've ever been.
Hello guys, welcome back to another lovely trading video. This one's going to be a relatively quick one, but I'll just be going over 3 kind of tips and tricks you can use for Think or Swim that you may not already know. So the first one being actually is when you log in. If you click this kind of options button at the bottom left, you can actually give it more RAM / memory, and this should help make it perform a bit better. I think the default only gives it about half a gigabyte, so depending on your computer specs you can give it a bit more. I give it around 1 to 3, never really hits a 3, but I like to have it where it can use a bit more if it needs to. Hey, on to the next. So the next one you can do on either flexible grid or charts, doesn't really make a difference. I personally use this on only the chart side because I only plot my long-term resistance on here. But what you can do is go over here, and what you can actually, I think you can do it by right clicking. Oh no, you can do it here. So you look for this. By default actually it will be kind of just like a normal arrow, so you kind of just find this arrow on your chart, and all you have to do is scroll down to drawing tools, and then you can pick your resistance line or trend line depending what you use more, and then it means you don't have to right click and do add drawing every time. You can instead just click and then click again for it to confirm. Same, so I can put it at each of these deviations by just double clicking. Makes life quite easy. Again, I can just do it like that on all of these charts. Again, you have to put it for each chart, so if you've got like 6 charts here, you have to do it manually on each one if you want it. The only thing that makes which can be a bit annoying with this, so you can still easily do like your zoom feature like this and all that. The only difference you have is a zoom out, so obviously you can't double click now to zoom out. So you know, if I go here to double click to zoom out, it will just draw a line. So to zoom out, all you then have to do is just do auto zoom, and that's how you end up doing that. So on to the next one. So for the next one, all you need to do is go over to setup, application settings, look and feel. You can do multiple things in here, and then quite easily you can just change font size, so you could go from like small to medium or something like that. I think I personally use medium, which I quite like, it's a good size. But you can do other things. So if you go back into that menu, some of the cool things you can do is kind of just change the appearance to how you like. So if you go over to color scheme, you can see here are some defaults. You can just change it to light, old school and stuff like that. However, what you can do is actually do new and then pick one that you make. Let's say you already use dark, you click on that, and then you can just change some of these features to maybe make it look a bit nicer, or just to some way you prefer. So maybe you just want to make everything kind of, I don't know, let's say you want to make the headers all super black, just to kind of match, you know, I don't know, maybe you got a dark system or something like that. You kind of just turn everything black. Maybe you want to have the price down as a different shade of red or something like that, and you can just basically do that. Click save, apply, and then you'll see it will change it system wide. So now my candles are like this, it changes the red up here, everything goes a bit darker across the sides, and that. So you could just kind of just change your preference. Maybe if you prefer, I don't know, blue candlesticks or something, you can basically just do anything like that in there and just change it to kind of your own preference and just customize it a bit to just make it feel a bit more like your own, I guess. But that's it for the quick tips and tricks. If you want to see another one of these, let me know. If you got any cool maybe things that I didn't go through in this video that you think other people should know of, definitely let me know in the comments, and I'll definitely do that in the next one. If you did like that, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. And that's it. Peace.